This election may be messing with a lot of folks getting a good night's sleep.
And medical reporter Liz Bonis explains how.
Hey there, everybody. So many of us not sleeping this election season that there's a name for this. Some refer to it as Electsomnia. It's often described as chronic sleep disturbances that can occur during election season. It can come from when we ponder who deserves our vote.
As your president, I will fight for you every single day.
To what will be the final election outcome.
I pledge to always put country above party and self.
Specialists at the Cleveland clinic that provided this video describe electsomnia as people with current sleep problems who say it's worse right now, or...
But, we're also seeing people who typically don't really report having any insomnia symptoms or difficulty, this triggering insomnia symptoms in the past, couple of weeks or the time preceding the election.
Social media likely adding to our electsomnia, according to Dr. Mark Caleb Smith of Ohio Cedarville University, especially if we scroll negative election information before bedtime.
A lot of the information there getting connected to on a regular basis is negative and damaging, and it just keeps them upset, which is good for business for Silicon Valley, but not necessarily good for America.
Getting to the polls today should stop some of this electsomnia, but no matter how you feel about your candidate.
I think the first step in the process is to understand that it's just politics.
And then, Dr. Smith says, remember this.
Politics doesn't define our whole lives. It doesn't make or break everything about us. Our country has survived complicated and difficult elections in the past. It'll survive this election regardless of what happens.
Now, if sleep problems do persist and don't ease up after the election's over, it is suggested you tell your doctor. With your health news, I'm Liz Bonis.